Your knee pain is not a knee problem. These 5 exercises fix the real cause. If your knees hurt every time you stand up, climb stairs, or walk for more than a few minutes, you may be focusing on the wrong problem. Most people assume knee pain comes from worn-out joints, arthritis, or simply getting older. But in many cases, the real issue isn't the knee itself. It's the muscles that are supposed to support it. When the muscles around your knees become weak, your joints are forced to absorb stress they were never designed to handle alone. Over time, that leads to instability, stiffness, and pain that can slowly take away your confidence to move. The good news? You can start changing that today. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple exercises that target the muscles most responsible for supporting healthy knees. No complicated equipment, no expensive treatments. Just movements designed to help you move with greater strength and stability. And make sure you stay until exercise number 4. It's one of the most overlooked causes of knee pain, and most people never train it. Let's get started.
Exercise 1, Quad Activator Press. Before anything else improves, this muscle needs to wake up. Your quadriceps, the large muscles on the front of your thighs, act like natural shock absorbers for your knees. When they're strong and responsive, they help stabilize the joint and distribute force more evenly. When they're weak, your knees often pay the price. Sit on the edge of a firm chair with both feet flat on the floor. Extend one leg so your heel rests on the floor and your toes point toward the ceiling. Now tighten the front of your thigh as if you're trying to straighten the knee even more. Hold that contraction for 5 seconds. Then relax completely. Repeat 10 times before switching sides. Focus on feeling the muscle work, not forcing the movement. Many people notice their knees feel steadier during the first few steps of the day after practicing this consistently. And once that muscle starts working properly again, we can begin rebuilding control.
Exercise 2, Straight Leg Lift. Strength is important, but control is what keeps your knee stable when you're walking, climbing stairs, or stepping off a curb. Lie flat on your back. Bend one knee and keep the other leg straight. Before lifting, tighten the front of your thigh. Then slowly raise the straight leg about 10 to 12 inches. Pause briefly. Lower with control. Don't rush the movement. The lowering phase is just as important as the lift. Complete 10 repetitions on each side. If your leg shakes slightly, that's okay. That's often a sign the muscle is being challenged. This exercise helps teach your thigh muscles how to support your knee during real-world movement. Now let's move to something you probably do dozens of times every day.
Exercise 3, Sit to Stand Strengthener. This may be the most important movement in your daily life. Every time you stand up from a chair, your muscles either help support your knees or they don't. If you rely heavily on your hands, armrests, or momentum to stand, your leg muscles gradually become less involved, and that can contribute to the very weakness that causes knee problems. Sit near the edge of a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the floor. Lean slightly forward. Press through your heels and stand up slowly. Pause at the top. Then lower yourself back down with control. Start with 5 repetitions and gradually increase over time. Pay attention to your knees. They should track in the same direction as your toes throughout the movement. Mastering this simple exercise can make everyday activities feel easier and safer. But now we're getting to the exercise most people miss completely.
Exercise 4, Side Hip Strengthener. If you've tried strengthening your knees and still have pain, this may be the missing piece. The muscle on the side of your hip, called the gluteus medius, plays a major role in controlling knee alignment. When it's weak, your knee often drifts inward while walking, turning, or stepping sideways. That places extra stress on the joint with every step you take. Stand beside a chair or kitchen counter for balance. Slowly step one foot out to the side, then bring it back. Repeat on the other side. Perform 10 repetitions per side. Keep your toes facing forward and avoid leaning your upper body. You should feel the muscles on the outside of your hips working. Many people are surprised by how challenging this simple movement can be. And strengthening this area often improves stability far beyond the knee itself. Now let's finish with an exercise that helps rebuild confidence in bending and moving naturally again.
Exercise 5. Counter mini squat. Pain often makes people avoid bending their knees. Unfortunately, avoiding movement can make the problem worse. This exercise helps restore strength and confidence in a safe, controlled way. Stand facing a kitchen counter. Place your hands lightly on the surface for support. Slowly bend your knees and send your hips slightly backward. Only go as far as feels comfortable. Then return to standing. Keep your heels flat and your movements controlled. Start with 6 to 8 repetitions. The goal isn't to squat deep. The goal is to teach your knees, hips, and legs to work together again. With practice, everyday movements like sitting, standing, and reaching become easier and more comfortable. Why these exercises work? Most people focus only on the knee, but your knee is part of a larger system. Your quadriceps, your hips, your glutes, the muscles that help control every step you take. When those muscles weaken, the knee often has to compensate. These 5 exercises strengthen that entire support system, not by masking the problem, but by addressing the muscles that help protect the joint every day. Consistency is what matters most. Not perfection, not intensity. Consistency. Here's your challenge. Pick one exercise from this list. Just one. And do it today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Because one exercise done consistently is far more powerful than 5 exercises you never start. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Rapid Relief Health. Every week, we share practical, evidence-based strategies to help you stay strong, mobile, and independent as you age. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just information that helps you move better and feel better. Your knees have carried you through millions of steps. Now it's time to give them the support they deserve.